Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to create a zip file. So for that, first of all, you need to download a certain application to be able to create a zip file. You need to download a WinRAR application for your desktop first. For that, you open a browser and open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in winrar.com and press enter. So this is the file that you need to download to create a zip file. Here you just need to click and download WinR. Once the application is downloaded, you will be able to create a zip file. WinR is a powerful compression, archiving and archive managing software tools. With WinR, user can compress or archive multiple electronic files into single and significantly smaller size folder. So this is how the WinR application will look like once you have downloaded it. So for you to create a zip file, you need to click on the folder that you want to zip file it. So here for the tutorial, I'm just gonna zip file this particular folder over here. So to begin the process, first you right click on your mouse and there you will have this option of add to archive, add to tutorial.rar, compress and email, compress to tutorial.rar and email. So here what you need to do is you need to click on add to archive. It will pop out this box section. Here this will be the archive name or the file name, and from all this option you need to choose the archive format, that is zip over here. Click on it. This will change the name on the top as well. Once you're done, you can click on OK. This will zip the file. You can see the over here the file has been zipped. This is how you can create a zip file. So this is how you can create a zip file. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you.